This is how to play mini matches American football. To set up the post, slot the uprights into the box. Now slot the 4 pieces of the ball together. Choose a flat surface as your playing field and place the end zone flags at all 4 corners of the field. Flip the match coin to see which team starts first. It landed on red, which means the red team will start. The offensive team starts by setting up for the first down. Place the down piece in the centre of the field with the ball directly on top. Both teams then place down 3 defenders. This can be anywhere on their own side of the field. A down is a single attempt or play by the offensive team to advance the ball towards their opponent's end zone. The offensive team will have a series of 4 downs to attempt to reach their opponent's end zone. To kick off, the offensive team must flick the ball back into their own half using their finger or the player piece. Using their player piece, the attacking team now flicks their defenders forward towards the end zone. The attacking team must now flick the ball forward towards the opponent's end zone. Take turns flicking the defenders to get closest to the ball, starting with the offensive team. Once all defenders have been moved, the defender closest to the ball gains possession. In this case, it's the red team. If that's an offensive player, the offensive team continues with their next down. If it's a defending player, it counts as a tackle and the defending team begins their first of 4 downs. The next down is played from the ball's current position. When the ball lands in the end zone, the offensive team must flick their defenders closest to the ball to score a touchdown. Once a touchdown is scored, try to flick the ball through the post to score an extra point. Once the punt has been attempted, the defending team sets up for their first down from the centre of the field. 4th down play. The offensive team may attempt a field goal if they haven't reached the end zone by the 4th down. During play, if the ball goes over the side or end lines, then the ball is returned to the field and the next down is played from the same starting position as the previous down. It's 6 points for a touchdown, 1 point for a successful punt over the posts, 3 points for a field goal, and the first to 20 points wins the match.